In today's video I will speak about which top 5 layer 1 altcoins I'm watching to buy when Bitcoin is cooling down. This is what you ask me, and at the end of this video I will speak obviously about Bitcoin and about my trades. We are starting with my top 5 layer 1 blockchains. Here somebody asked, Slavik, can you make a video and show us which altcoins you're holding for bull run, please? So I show you my top altcoins which I'm holding and which I want to buy. So we're starting with AVAX. AVAX, you know about it. It has right now a $10 billion market cap. So I will guide you through my thinking process, how I want to buy, what is my strategy behind it, but you still have to do your own research. So AVAX, if we are watching right now, at the moment the market cap is $10 billion. It's a layer 1 blockchain, right? So if we are watching about layer 1 blockchain, what we have, the top layer 1 blockchain is Bitcoin and Ethereum. So they competing, AVAX or other L1s competing directly with Ethereum, or they so-called Ethereum killer. Up front, I don't think any layer 1 will kill Ethereum, because Ethereum, they can parallel be there. Parallel exists. So if we are watching, however, what I'm watching, if it has a 10 billion market cap right now, and if we are watching, the market cap of Ethereum is right now 283 billion. So this would be, if it would reach right now the market cap of Ethereum, it would be already a 28x, right? Because the market cap of AVAX is $10 billion. But what I'm watching much more for is what was the Ethereum market cap in the bull run, in the previous bull run. The Ethereum market cap was around 600 billion. So it was around 600 billion. I don't think, to be clear, I don't think that any layer 1 will reach in the next bull run 600 billion market cap, because I want to be more pessimistic, because I don't want to be sad about if it's not reaching my price target, right? So what I'm watching for, I'm watching that any of these layer 1s, which I will buy even more of it if Bitcoin is cooling down, that they reach 10% of the total market cap of Ethereum in the previous bull run. So I'm watching again, Ethereum reached around 600 billion previous bull run. So what I'm watching is that any of these layer 1s, which I will show you in a second, reach 60 billion in the bull run, in the coming bull run, which will happen 2024, next year, and 2025. So AVAX, what I'm aiming for AVAX, I'm waiting until AVAX is cooled down, but I'm watching for AVAX at least a 6x from here in the bull run, at least. But as soon as Bitcoin is cooling down, I'm expecting the market cap to cool down to 8 billion or even 6 billion at least. This is what I'm watching. Then I will buy some more AVAX. Okay, let's move to the next altcoin. Layer 1 is Solana. Solana, a lot of you know, the market cap is right now 30 billion. So it's already huge. And the previous bull market, Solana had a market cap of 80... Wait a minute, I'm switching back. Of 80 billion. So if we are right now pessimistic and waiting for a cool down of Solana, it has a market cap right now of 30 billion. I'm expecting at least to cool down to 15 billion market cap if Bitcoin is cooling down, because as I told you, we see Bitcoin moving right now like crazy. We are at 40k, we could go even to 55k, but the higher we go, the bigger will be the crash afterwards, because this is how the smart money collecting money from the retail people, because they don't understand. They think, oh, up only. Everyone's speaking about the super cycle, but the probability for super cycle is very low. So expecting a huge dump, and Bitcoin will dump to at least between 20 or 25k. This is what I'm expecting. 30k, it's like, it's nearly for sure that we will see dump to 30k. I mean, nothing is for sure, but you understand. So I expect the Solana to cool down at least $15 billion market cap. $15 billion market cap would mean Solana at least at $35 in a cool down. This way I'm watching to buy Solana. And again, if Solana will reach, let's say, 20 billion market cap to 60 billion, it would be at least a 3x. So to understand for you that you understand my thinking process. So layer 1s is for me a safe investment. I'm not invested at all in Ethereum or Bitcoin, which is upfront already very risky. But I see the layer 1s in the top 100 as very safe, because because everything what is in the top 100, it's not a guarantee that it will do some excess, but the probability that it will scam, it turns out it's a scam, it's not so likely. I mean, yes, we saw FTT, FTX and all this, or Luna, but you understand me what I mean. So the next one is Kaspa. Kaspa is right now at 2.8 billion, and we see this project could here we could make much more money. So what I'm expecting, as soon as we see cool down, I'm expecting the market cap would cool down to $2 billion, which would mean if we're reaching in the bull run $60 billion, it would mean it would be from here on around 30x. Again, this is not a guarantee, because the lower we are going in the market cap of these layer ones, the lower is the probability that they will see this huge pump, right? But it's like always, high risk, high reward. So Kaspa is one of my next top choices, altcoin choices, which I will buy, layer one altcoins, which I will buy as soon as we see Bitcoin is cooling down, because it has a 30x potential. The next one is Phantom. Phantom, a lot of you know, and I'm holding a lot of Phantom already, but I will buy even more. It has right now $1 billion market cap, and it could do a 60x from here if we are considering it will reach 10% of the market cap of Ethereum from the previous bull run. So 60x from here on, it could make in the bull run 2024, 2025. All the information I give you, it's only my perspective, my opinion. It's very risky, but I'm expecting for Phantom at least a 30 till 60x in the bull run, bradans. So the next altcoin is, which I'm watching, wait a minute, Phantom, Kaspa, Solana, AVAX, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay, this was already the 5 ones. So bradans, do you want me, I will do in a second also, I show you my trades, my day trades, and I'm coming also to Bitcoin. But the question up front, do you want me to show my top DeFi altcoins? Do you want to show me my top GameFi altcoins? Because what I'm thinking about, I'm putting in different baskets my investments. So usually people say you have to invest in different baskets, like crypto, real estate, stock market. I'm diversifying within crypto. I'm invested only in crypto. I'm diversifying within crypto. GameFi, AI coins, layer 1, layer 2. Do you want me to do on the other one altcoins? If so, please give me a sign in the comments so I understand, and hit the like button so it engages with more people the video from the algorithm. You understand? So now let us watch quickly my my position. So my position looks great. My Bitcoin short obviously $700 in a loss at the moment. My Mana position is exploding around $4,000, $3,700 profit. BNB 7,800. It's getting better. It was 12,000 a loss, right now only 7,800, and Aave $2,000 in profit. So it looks amazing. And what is important to watch on Bitcoin, why I jumped in the short, I showed you before, because we have this CME gap open, which is around 40k, right? You see it here, the CME gap is open. It's not a guarantee that it will be closed, but the probability is very likely. So between 39k and 40k, the CME gap is open. So the question is only, will we first close the CME gap and then see pump to 48k or even to 55k? Or will we first see a pump to 48k and then see the dump to 40k and to 30k and so on? So this is the big question. This is what nobody knows and nobody can tell you. But what I can tell you for sure, what is my opinion? And my opinion is, as it was here before when we saw this breakout here, because I told you we have a massive resistance line here, and I told you as soon as we break this resistance line, you see, because there was a lot of resistance, we see Bitcoin pumping further to the upside. And right now we have the same scenario, because we have here a huge resistance line, which is around, wait a minute, I'll tell you exactly, which is here around 44,000, around 44,300. right? And as soon as we break clearly above this line, I'm expecting Bitcoin to move to 46,500. So this could be pump from here on, which would be around 5.8%. In case we are getting rejected, as I told you, we will see Bitcoin moving to 40,000, which is in perfect alignment with this red line, which is a red support and resistance line based on the history 2 or even a 3 years resistance line, which goes back to 2020. As I told you, support and resistance, and it perfectly also is in alignment with the CME gap, which is open at 40k. So in case we're getting rejected, we're going back to 40k, and then afterwards to 48k, 46k at least. In case we are breaking this line at 44,300, I expect we will move straight to 46,500. 46,500. Why 46,500? Because based on the past, we have here a lot of resistance coming in at 46,500 approximately, or even 47k. You can call it however you want. You see support and resistance here. You see clear support and resistance. So let us watch what will happen first. I don't know, but I know for sure that in case even we are getting rejected and moving to 40k, I expecting that we see altcoins running to the upside. And our AVAX position, we had a long open. Some of you have still the long open. Congratulations to everyone who has still the long open, because we reached perfectly our price target of $28, and I expecting as soon as we cool down, I'm expecting that we will cool down at least to $23, which could be potentially a new long entry if Bitcoin further pumps to the upside. So in case Bitcoin, we see a cool down of Bitcoin, we could see here AVAX to cool down at least to a price target of $23, where we could enter again a long position. Mana, my Mana or Mana position is still on, and I will keep it because the price target here is around 53 cents. So this would be a move still from here at around 3%. I will keep it until we hit our price target, and then the position will be automatically closed. Why 53 cents? Because we have here a lot of resistance, here support coming in, here a lot of support and resistance, as you see here. I think on the weekly you see it even more clear. You see it here, a lot of resistance coming in. Here's what was previous support and resistance. So I'm expecting here it will go at least to 53 cents, and I will hold my position therefore. So bratans, in my opinion, it's everything very clear. Tell me, what do you think about? And don't forget, you get $1,000 bonus on Bybit. Link is down below. You put $100 in and get $1,000 bonus margin for trading, only for the professional ones. And give me a sign, do you want me to do another altcoin, my top altcoins we're investing in as soon as we are cooling down. But thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.